If mediation is unable to resolve a dispute, the case may end up in court.
Court rise for District Judge Edwards.
The judge will be familiar with the circumstances of the case. The legal representatives will then have the opportunity to deliver their opening statements.
Right, I can tell you both, I have seen both of your skeleton arguments. Ms. Yeah, this is your case. Please proceed.
Mr. Claimant, could you please tell the court your full name and address, please?
Yes, it's Colin Clement of 97.
Each representative will then cross-examine the other party and any witnesses that may have been called before then submitting their closing statements.
Can I ask you to turn to paragraph 12, please, of your statement? We're at page 21, and we can see there the defendant telephoned you, and then an argument ensued. Things got a bit heated in that telephone conversation, is that right?
Yes.
And the substance of that argument appears to be the defendant's belief that you haven't done any work for at least 2 weeks. Was that right?
That was her belief.
And at the conclusion of that conversation, she said to you, and we're still at paragraph 12, last line, that the contract was over and I shouldn't go back to the property on Monday. Do you recall that?
Yes, I do.
In a commercial civil case, there will not be a jury as the outcome is decided by a judge. The claimant, defendant, their representatives and any witnesses will be the only people present in the courtroom. The length of a trial can vary considerably between a few hours up to a number of weeks, depending on a number of factors, including the complexity of the dispute, the number of witnesses that may need to be called, and any expert evidence that has to be given.
I have had an opportunity to hear from both the claimant, Mr. Clement, and the defendant, Ms. Fender. This is my judgment in the claim. There was a breach of contract by not giving 10 days written notice. In that respect, Mr. Clement is entitled to £10,000, and it seems to me that that is the right amount of money that is due and owing under the contract.
Once a judgment is handed down, it will specify the decision of the judge, including any damages or other remedies, and whether a cost order has been made. As an ARAG policyholder, if your claim goes through mediation or to a trial, we will provide legal representation throughout the process for you.